Hi there, it's Danny from JNX Motorcycles in Northwich, and today what I've got with me is the R&G Tail Tidy for the Yamaha MT125. Like I said in the other video, I was going to possibly go and buy myself one, and I've finally done it. I've bought myself one. I'm going to do a little video on showing what's in the box and installing it for you. Hi there, back again, and we have just finished installing the R&G Tail Tidy on the Yamaha MT125. Overall, does really tidy up the back end, brings everything a lot closer to the seat unit, just gives it a nice clean look to it. Keeps the L plate from hitting the back wheel as well, as I've encountered before. But yeah, it just makes the bike, just brings it nice and close together. Looks a lot better overall. Remember to like, subscribe and ding the notification bell for more from us.